Each link or button you click as you browse earns you points, and these points can be redeemed as gift cards or PayPal money. This is a system where you earn money just browsing your favorite websites or social media platforms. It is called Earn While You Browse. Wow! As you browse daily, you will accumulate points. The more you browse, the more your points, and the more your points, the more you earn money. You don't need any sign-up fee, you don't need any investment. No need for any special skills, and in fact, you will not perform any task at all. All you will do is to install the extension on your browser and go about browsing your favorite sites. As you browse, the system reads your browsing activities and rewards you with points. It is as simple as it sounds. No work done, no sign-up fee, no special gadgets needed, just use your phone to browse and earn. Before I introduce you to this system, I welcome you to this channel, Ready Money. This is where you will learn how to make money online in a legitimate and easy way. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to see more money-making videos from this channel. The website I will be referring to you in this video is Upvoice.com. Upvoice is website where you will browse regularly and earn gift cards money. All you will need to do is install the extension on your browser, join the community, and start browsing your social media platforms, and you will earn gift cards money in the process. There are just 3 steps needed for you to earn money on this website. 1. Install the Upvoice browser extension after signing up. It is safe and easy to use. 2. Start browsing your favorite social media platform. 3. Earn as you browse. Upvoice captures the ads and gives you daily points that can be redeemed as gift cards. As a member of Upvoice, you share data that makes browsing experience better. You will get to influence advertisement by big companies through your normal browsing activities. See here, a lot of people are already earning money from browsing, and you too should not be left behind in this system of making money. These are all the positive reviews about this website and the proof that you will be earning money by just browsing website and nothing else. There is also a bonus earning for you. If you want to make more money apart from earning through browsing, you can earn more money through completing surveys about your browsing experience on this website. And the best thing is that your online privacy and data is protected on this website. Your data is aggregated and anonymized in strict privacy policy. You are protected on this website. In summary, Upvoice is the user panel of an innovative market research firm that brings help to top brands to make better marketing decisions. By being a member of the active community, you are making a direct impact on how multi-billion-dollar corporations promote their brands online. If you are getting value from this website, please hit the like button to encourage production of more money-making videos from this channel. Now, to get started on this website, you will need to click on Sign Up here, and you will be redirected to this page, where you have the option to sign up using your Google, Microsoft, or Yahoo accounts. I will like to sign up with my Google account here, so I will click on Google, and I am redirected to the sign up form here. I will then go ahead and fill the form. I will input my email, my relationship status, my month of birth, my year of birth, my gender, my country, and my city. I will then click on the terms of service and privacy settings here. Then I will finally click submit, and voila! I am now registered to install the extension and start browsing to earn money. Ciao!